this might be a bit too thick. So it's really hard to cut, so maybe I'll use this one as well. If it's thicker than 0.5 inch, it's hard to cut the branch, especially for women. And so I think it's the man can do the cutting the branch better, and that's why maybe we have so many Japanese flower arrangement who are men still. Anyway, okay, so here I have to make a cross first. So before pouring some water, this is a hard bit actually. I never can do it at once, but it should be the right size. So more. If I pour the water inside at first, then if these twigs goes in, it's hard to get it out. So you make the like that. Okay.
Yeah, so it has to be very snug, right? It has to be just right.
And you see these to make a cross. The one side is you cut diagonally. Yeah, and one side is a straight line. And sometimes when you do this too hard, the vase will crack. So you have to be careful. There are so many cracked vases in my teacher's house because the students are like doing too hard. Okay, so I made it like a cross. Yes, it shouldn't be too deep. It should be very to the surface.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I pour some water. Okay, that's good. Okay, then we have to decide which should be shin and soe. And by looking at these, shin should be, much like longer, and it should be main character. So I think I like this bit because it's like artistic. So I'll make this shin. So from here, about here, and then, so here's the size of the base, and then that's 1. So 1.5 would be around here, I think. But when I use a long base, some of the bits should go inside the water, so plus about 5 centimeters. When you do moribana style, you just have to cut it here. But I need extra about 5 centimeters, because it goes into the water. And which angle it should be, like that one. So. Then I place it like so. Okay?
Yes, it's not just straight, usual.
Yeah. And so shins should be, just stand up a little bit. Maybe this one. Yeah, I think that was. It should be like 15 degrees. Yeah, this is 0 degrees, so about a little bit slanting. But this is quite heavy. The berries are quite heavy, so I think it's like 20 degrees right now, but it should stand up a little more. Now the soe should be 3/4 of shin. So let's see. And sometimes you can actually bend the twigs according to whatever you like. you use we say it tameru in order to make it slant a little. So sometimes you see like the branches going in all directions. And this should be 45 degrees. Maybe a little bit shorter, maybe a bit shorter. Okay. Okay. And I need a flower. I only need a short one, so I'll just cut it right here. Make sure you take off this cover of Ikebana. Yeah. Okay. Well, the petals have gone a little, but yeah. Okay. And this should be. I like this size better. So let's see. Okay, and this is 15 degrees, 45 degrees, and this should be 75 degrees, so it should like slant a little. But when you're using this, you have to like bend somewhere so that it would stay, and half of that would be there. So I'll bend here, but don't like break the stem, just a little, so that the water will still go up to the flowers. Okay. Maybe a bit shorter than that. Okay. Now we use the other flowers to support these. And I would use